Hi everyone, I'm Puneet Komar with XEC Engineering and Consulting. We're here at Lansing's newest project, Petra Avelina, in the historical city of San Juan Capistrano, California. Just a few miles from the beach, this project offers a unique community experience, and for XEC Engineering, some pretty complicated challenges. But lucky for Lansing Homes, these are the types of projects we like to work on. Before we get started, there's a few things you ought to know. This project is about 10 acres in size and offers a very unique shape. It has 132 residential units and amenities throughout the entire project, including an improved bike and pedestrian trail. Now let's get ready for a ride around the entire project and show you some of the engineering marvels that make this project so marvelous. Next up is our project manager, Brian Redson.
I'm Brian, project manager for the Petra Avelina project. Now that the project's almost built out, it may seem pretty straightforward, but I can promise you it wasn't. I'm standing in San Juan Creek, which you can see is now overgrown with vegetation. The tributaries run from the Santa Ana Mountains down to the Pacific Ocean. This channel can hold 32,000 cubic feet per second of water. That's over 14 million gallons per minute, and we have to make sure that water stays in this creek and out of the future residents' living rooms. To determine the depth of water in San Juan Creek, we performed a floodplain analysis. Once we knew the depth of flow in the creek, we were able to set the project at a safe elevation by raising and lowering the surrounding grades. When all that water comes racing through this creek, it can erode the soil at the banks of the creek and result in a slope failure that puts these homes at risk. But don't worry, below my feet is a 40-foot deep, 1,000-foot scour wall that protects this creekside in even the most intense storm events, ensuring that these residents get to enjoy their beautiful creek view. Now let's get over to Eric and see how we handle the on-site storm drain.
Hey, it's me, Eric. As great as the creek may be, I'm going to show you where the magic happens. Every drop of water that lands on this project site may pick up pollutants such as oils, greases, sediments, trash, and metals. Good design practices and local regulations require us to treat this water before leaving the project site, ensuring downstream ecosystems can thrive. I'm standing over an underground concrete box structure that can hold 25,000 cubic feet of water. Brian and the project team designed the storm drain to convey water to this box, where it will infiltrate into the ground, eliminating pollutants from downstream waterways. While kids are playing in this future park above ground, they'll never know we're improving water quality below ground. All right, enough about stormwater. Let's go find Chris and learn about streets.
Hi, I'm Chris, project engineer at XEC. What you see here may look like a normal neighborhood street, but it's actually a lesson in engineering problem solving. Beneath the street is the Hornell Creek Channel, a 16-foot wide by 9-foot tall concrete box which carries stormwater through this site to San Juan Creek, and not something you usually build a street on top of. While keeping the existing channel in place, our team designed the street with enough vertical clearance over the channel so that we could thread the needle with the sewer and water pipes for all of these beautiful homes. Too much clearance would have raised the site too high, and not enough clearance would prevent the sewer and water pipes from working correctly. So how much cover was it? Enough for it to work just right, and that's all you need to know about that. With some engineering creativity, the Hornell Creek Channel continues to flow while all of these homes get the utility services they need. For more on utilities, let's head down the street and over to Lillian.
Hey, I'm Lillian, a project engineer here at XEC Engineering, and I helped design the wet utilities for this project. The wet utilities posed a really unique set of challenges because there were some utilities already in the ground that either needed to be relocated or protected in place and incorporated into the new system for Petra Avelina. We also had to contend with narrow 24-foot wide streets. And that meant to achieve the standard utility spacing, we had to place utilities behind sidewalks, in open spaces, and down alleys. This existing well pumps water out of the ground to the city's local treatment plant, where they change it from raw water to potable water. Petra Avelina afforded us the opportunity to relocate the raw water lines away from the proposed homes and on-site utilities so the city could keep producing clean water for years to come. It took a lot of hard work and collaboration to get this spaghetti of pipes to fit nicely. But who doesn't love spaghetti? Now get out of here and get back to Pune.
Thanks for coming along on this journey with us. We end this ride with a walk down this beautiful San Juan Capistrano bike trail. Part of this project was to improve the existing bike trail along the project frontage. Together with Lancy Homes, we came up with a plan to keep this trail open and in operation during the entire time of construction. Now everybody can enjoy the beautiful outdoor amenities this project has to offer. I hope by watching this video you learned a little something about civil engineering and how X Engineering tackles challenging problems to help engineer well-designed places for our clients. Speaking of great clients, there's one last person for you to meet.
Hi, I'm Jack Rye with Lancy Homes. Thanks for coming by our Petra Avelina project, a truly unique project that creates a one-of-a-kind living experience. We look forward to watching this project build out over the next year and seeing residents enjoy all of the outdoor amenities the community has to offer. Special thanks to X Engineering for help making this project a huge success.